Inflatable awnings are perfect for people who already own campers but need more room. These extensions attach to the side of a trailer and inflate into large sheltered spaces. Some versions are large enough to feel like an extra room, complete with weather-resistant fabric, ventilation, and storm protection. They provide extra comfort for longer camping trips. Inflatable roof tents attach to the top of vehicles and inflate automatically within minutes. These tents usually include built-in pumps, comfortable mattresses, skylights, and ventilation systems. They feel much more spacious than standard rooftop tents because of their tall design. Some models even include LED lighting and anti-theft locks for added convenience. Bubble tents are clear inflatable domes designed for enjoying outdoor views while staying protected. Made from transparent PVC, they create a unique experience where campers can sleep under the stars without leaving their shelter. These tents are often used for luxury camping, events, and creative outdoor spaces rather than extreme weather conditions. The tent tube is one of the fastest inflatable shelters available. Instead of using metal poles, it relies on flexible inflatable tubes to create the structure. One person can set it up in about 1 minute. Despite its lightweight design, it is waterproof and windproof, making it practical for quick camping trips. Packing it away is equally simple because the air can be released instantly. The SpaceX Air Camper focuses on fast setup and comfort. With automatic inflation systems, electric lifting roofs, and stabilizing legs, the entire camper can be ready in under 3 minutes. It includes beds, a dining area, insect protection, and weather-resistant materials, making camping feel closer to living in a real home. The T-Raft combines a raft, tent, and sleeping system into one portable setup. On the water, the tent acts as a sunshade, while on land it becomes a sleeping shelter. The raft itself works as a mattress, making the system lightweight yet functional. It is ideal for adventurous travelers who enjoy both camping and water exploration. This clever inflatable tent connects directly to the back of a Tesla vehicle, transforming the car into a larger camping space. It works especially well with the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Campers can use it either as a tailgate shelter attached to the car or as a standalone tent. One interesting feature is that it can pull cool air from the car's climate control system, making the inside much more comfortable in warm weather. The crew setup combines shelter, mattress, insulation, and rain protection into one compact inflatable system. Instead of carrying separate camping equipment, users get one complete sleeping pod. The reflective rain cover can also connect multiple units together, allowing campers to create shared spaces while keeping personal sleeping areas. The Kira tent stands out because of its unique inflatable diamond grid frame. This geodesic-style design distributes wind and snow pressure effectively, making the tent stable in difficult conditions. It can inflate in only 24 seconds, which is incredibly fast. Multiple air chambers also provide safety because one damaged section does not collapse the entire structure. Coleman inflatable tents are popular because they make camping simple and stress-free. Instead of spending a long time connecting poles, users only need to inflate the air beams. Many Coleman tents include blackout bedrooms that block sunlight, helping campers sleep better. Separate sleeping and storage areas also make the tents feel organized and comfortable for families. The Alf Camp inflatable trailer combines luxury and convenience. It can transform from a small trailer into a fully functional living area within minutes. Inside there are 2 bedrooms, a dining area, and extra sleeping space. The inflatable air beam system creates the main tent structure, while the trailer itself is built for rough roads with strong suspension and high ground clearance. It offers a comfortable camping experience without the stress of traditional setups. Inflatable hangars use large air-filled arches instead of traditional metal frames. Made from PVC-coated fabric, they are durable enough to handle rain, sunlight, dust, and frost. These structures are often used for storage, workshops, or temporary shelters. Automatic pressure systems keep the structure stable, while optional features like lighting and ventilation make them highly customizable. The London Prestige inflatable tent from Sonmez Outdoor is designed for all types of weather. It uses durable inflatable beams, waterproof fabric and PVC flooring that is waterproof, fireproof and antibacterial. The tent can handle extremely hot and cold temperatures, making it suitable for year-round adventures. It also includes useful features such as UV protection, a rain cover, lantern hooks, and even a fireproof stove jack for heating during winter camping.